Hi, in front of me is FOSSIBOT F101 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Now select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Following that, click on Theme section, scroll all the way down and tap on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. Now just click on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher next to them, and to save your new keyboard, hit apply. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it instead, go back to the same settings, but this time click on the plus icon under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done, manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!